Hi guys, in today's video we are going to show you how to change your cPanel plan. If you need more power to your package or more resources you need, you can change it with few clicks without any downtime. All you have to do is click on resize, select your required package. For example, I need more power to my websites and my email and my space. I need more space. So I click on professional, click submit. It will take a minute or two. It will update my plan. So it will take, I think, a couple of minutes. All right, my plan has been updated. I need to check. See, our order updated successfully, and as you can see, our new invoice is generated, which is unpaid. It's a prorated invoice. As you can see, you need to pay $10 only, 97.99. It is a prorated invoice, and after you pay, your new hosting will appear on your cPanel hosting. Now you need to do is go to cPanel after payment, and here is go. My hosting has been changed from business to professional. So this is how you change your hosting, and it's very easy. If you need any assistance, you can always write an email to our support agents and technical staff. So see you in the next video. Bye.